Okay, I'm going to spell out some of the words that you've just worked on your Quizlet, some of the description words, okay? So you are going to listen to what I say, right along, and then in the Edpuzzle type in what the word is. So have a piece of paper out so you can sort of write as you go, and then you can type in the answer. You also need to know what the word means as a part of your answer, okay? So our first word is, the letters are E, N, T, E, L, E, G, E, N, T, E. Okay, you can rewatch that if you need to. Okay, write down what you got. I'll go one more time slower. E, N, T, E, L, E, G, E, N, T, E. Okay, right? Type in what the answer is to that one. Okay, second word. A, B, U. Okay, we're going to start over on that one because my lights went out in my room. So the next word is A, B, U, R, R, I, D, O. Okay, so write that one down. All right, the next word is T, R, A, B, A, J, A, D, O, R. I'll do that one again. I went a little fast. T, R, A, B, A, J, A, D, O, R. Okay. Next one is S, E, M, P, A, T, I, C, O. Okay, last one. S, E, R, I, O. Okay, gracias.